Good day, guys. How on a day? Get again QNT TV. Guys, you're welcome back again to my page. So today we just want to do little style that is very easy. Guys, you can do it your own. Yes, you can do it your own. This one is very easy. You want to go to church, even if you want to go to any occasion, you can quickly do what wrap this style. So guys, you see how I'm doing it. So I'm going to bring it up from that place, then tie it very well. Yes, make the length equal. The materials I'm using is certain materials, so you make the length equal. So when you want to tie it, one will be bigger than one. That is just it. So the hand I'm holding at the back, I'm going to take it to the back. Then I will use pin to pin it. You can see. So I didn't mean it long. I may sock it inside. So you see, I'm trying to sock it at the back. Then I still use pin to pin that place because at times it may remove. So if I use pin like that, it will not do what? Not remove. Then that hand, we are going to sock it there, where I'm holding, then bring it out. You see how I turn it to bring it out. You see, though this head wrap is not that long to what I want to use it before, so I later change the style. So I bring it out. You see, so I leave that hand is quite long. You see the form of this first one, the one I'm stressing, so I want to do same thing to that place, but it's not that long. The hand is not long. It's not long. So that's the reason why I have to do another style of Kelly. So we have to stress that one little, then fold it. Yeah, fold it. So I'm trying to adjust this to let it be like this one. So then fold it that way. I'm holding. I want to use pin to pin that place down. So when you are using pin, try to be very, very careful. That pin here, it used to injure someone. So alright, guys, as you are watching, please keep on sharing. Please, guys, help me to share. Let people see what I'm doing. Please, let's share, guys. Share. Okay, you can try this. So after you try it, you can drop your picture. You drop your picture at the comment section. Let me see that you get it. Very, very simple to grab. It's very simple. So you pin it again so that it will not be removing. That is it, guys. You see how simple it is. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Look at the back now. Very, very simple to grab. So look at the second style here. Then we move to the second style. So that one also is very simple. So I'm about to soak it in. You see, I soak it in to that place very well. Yes, soak it in very well. Then I will use my hand to spread the hub little. So that it will look like this form. So you see what I'm doing. Is trying to as I'm stretching it, that place I'm certainly want to come out, and I don't want to use pin to that place. So you see now, we have got this style. Okay, guys, don't forget to share the video, like, comment, and share. Please, guys, please like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.